All right, as we're starting to draw to a close here on our course, I want to mention the principle of slight edge. It's really what this entire hack series is based on. The point is, this is a business. Your eBay business is a business. You should seek to get a slight edge in everything you do. You should seek to find ways to leverage your results. When you use all these hacks on all of your listings, you'll see a massive improvement. You'll also see more sales, faster sales, less competition, and your eBay business will be finely tuned. I'd like to talk about the most powerful hack I've ever discovered in over 14 years of being a power seller on eBay. Really, one of the most powerful things you can do in your eBay business is to build an email list of your customers. Everyone that buys from you should be put on an email list. When I discovered this strategy back in 2000, I was pleasantly shocked with how powerful it really is. By building an email list of your customers, you can then send them new offers, announce new eBay listings, send them to your website instead of to eBay to buy your stuff, and you have real power. This is what I call my Beyond eBay strategy, and that strategy was the topic of my very first ebook many, many years ago, but now it's been updated and is now a course on Udemy. Now I have a special coupon code just for owners of eBay hacks. You can visit the course at udemy.com/beyond-eBay and enter this coupon code eBay hacks, and you'll get $30 off this powerful course. I strongly recommend it as really the ultimate hack for your eBay business. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this course on eBay hacks. I just want to thank you for taking the time to not only order this course and enroll, but really taking the time to go through the entire course. You're also going to get a special PDF report that lists all of the hacks in one report in order, so you can take notes and you can implement them in all your eBay listings. Thank you again so much for joining me in this course. I look forward to seeing you on some of my other Udemy courses. I have quite a few courses up about eBay, including the sister course to this one, the Deal Getting Hacks course. So be sure to be on the lookout for all my other courses. Thank you very much.